Hello, moms! In this video, we'll learn about the parts of a breast pump and how it really works. Here you can see all the main parts of a modern breast pump: the motor unit, the tubing, breast shields, valves, and bottles. Each part plays an important role in collecting and storing milk safely for your baby. So, let's understand how all these pieces work together. A breast pump works by creating a gentle vacuum that mimics a baby's natural sucking motion. The suction helps pull the milk from the breast through the breast shield and into the bottle. As you can see in this illustration, air pressure moves through the tubing and creates a smooth pumping rhythm, comfortable and effective for moms. Now, let's look at how the breast pump is used. Place the breast shield gently over your breast, making sure it fits properly. Once everything is set, switch on the pump and relax. The machine will do the rest. Always remember, comfort is important. If you feel pain or pressure, stop and readjust the position. There are two main types of breast pumps: manual and electric. A manual pump is hand-operated and good for short or occasional use. An electric pump is automatic and perfect for moms who pump regularly. Both do the same job, but electric ones save more time and effort. Once the pump is assembled and ready, make sure everything is clean and dry before each use. After pumping, store the milk in sterilized bottles and keep it in the fridge or freezer. You now know how a breast pump works and how to use it safely. Remember, every drop of milk you save is precious for your baby's health.